Lenz Law. Heinrich Lenz. Lenz Law states that the induced current will appear in such a direction that it opposes the changes in the flux in the coil. To understand, let us consider a coil and a bar magnet. When a bar magnet is pushed towards the coil with its north pole facing the coil, an induced current is set up in the coil in anti-clockwise direction with respect to north pole of the bar magnet. The current carrying closed coil acts as a magnet. North pole of bar magnet is repelled by north pole of the coil. Hence, we need to work to overcome this force. This mechanical work done on the magnet is converted into electrical energy in the coil. When the magnet pulled away from the coil facing north pole, the current direction in the coil becomes clockwise. When the bar magnet is pushed towards the coil with its south pole facing the coil, an induced current is set up in coil clockwise direction with respect to south pole of the bar magnet. When the magnet is pulled away from the coil facing the south pole, the current direction in the coil becomes anti-clockwise. Conclusion. We can conclude that when we push the bar magnet towards the closed coil, induced current is generated in the coil because the electromagnetic induction takes place and mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy.